AI in logistics, optimizing supply chains. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the logistics industry, bringing significant enhancements to supply chain management. By leveraging AI technologies, businesses can optimize their supply chains, improving efficiency, reducing costs, and enhancing customer satisfaction. This article explores the impact of AI on logistics, key applications, benefits, challenges, and future trends. The role of AI in logistics. AI encompasses a range of technologies, including machine learning, predictive analytics, and robotics, which collectively contribute to the transformation of logistics. These technologies enable more efficient operations, better decision-making, and enhanced adaptability in managing supply chains. Key applications of AI in logistics. 1. Demand forecasting. AI-driven predictive analytics can analyze historical data, market trends, and other variables to accurately forecast demand. This helps businesses maintain optimal inventory levels, reducing stockouts and overstock situations. 2. Route optimization. AI algorithms can optimize delivery routes by analyzing traffic patterns, weather conditions, and delivery constraints. This leads to faster delivery times, reduced fuel consumption, and lower transportation costs. 3. Warehouse management. AI-powered robots and automation systems streamline warehouse operations by managing inventory, picking and packing orders, and ensuring efficient space utilization. Machine learning algorithms can predict stock requirements and automate replenishment processes. 4. Supply chain visibility. AI enhances visibility across the supply chain by integrating data from various sources. This real-time visibility allows businesses to monitor the movement of goods, track shipments, and detect potential disruptions early. 5. Predictive maintenance. AI can predict when equipment and machinery are likely to fail, allowing for proactive maintenance. This reduces downtime and maintenance costs while ensuring the continuous operation of logistics infrastructure. 6. Customer service. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants provide real-time support to customers, addressing inquiries, tracking orders, and resolving issues. This improves customer satisfaction and reduces the workload on human support teams. Benefits of AI in logistics. 1. Increased efficiency. AI automates repetitive and time-consuming tasks, allowing logistics companies to operate more efficiently. This includes everything from warehouse management to route planning and inventory control. 2. Cost reduction. By optimizing routes, managing inventory more effectively, and predicting maintenance needs, AI helps reduce operational costs. This leads to significant savings in transportation, storage, and labor costs. 3. Enhanced accuracy. AI minimizes human errors by automating data analysis and decision-making processes. This results in more accurate demand forecasts, order fulfillment, and inventory management. 4. Improved customer satisfaction. AI enables faster, more reliable deliveries and enhances customer service. Real-time tracking and proactive communication ensure customers are well-informed and satisfied with the service. 5. Scalability. AI systems can easily scale to accommodate growing business needs. As a business expands, AI can handle increased volumes of data and operations without a corresponding increase in costs or resource requirements. Challenges of AI in logistics. 1. Data quality and integration. The effectiveness of AI relies on high-quality data. Inconsistent or incomplete data can lead to inaccurate predictions and suboptimal decisions. Integrating data from various sources can also be challenging. 2. High implementation costs. Implementing AI technologies can be expensive, requiring significant investment in hardware, software, and skilled personnel. The initial cost can be a barrier for small and medium-sized enterprises. 3. Skill shortage. There is a shortage of professionals with the skills needed to develop, implement, and maintain AI systems. This skills gap can hinder the adoption and effective use of AI in logistics. 4. Security and privacy concerns. AI systems can be vulnerable to cyber attacks, and the use of data raises privacy concerns. Ensuring robust security measures and compliance with data protection regulations is essential. 5. Resistance to change. Employees and management may resist adopting new technologies due to fear of job displacement or the complexity of AI systems. Effective change management strategies are needed to address these concerns. Future trends in AI-driven logistics. AI is transforming logistics by optimizing supply chains, improving efficiency, and enhancing customer satisfaction. While challenges exist, the benefits of AI in logistics are substantial, offering significant cost savings, increased accuracy, and scalability. As AI technology continues to evolve, its impact on logistics will only grow, paving the way for more innovative, efficient, and sustainable supply chain management practices. Embracing AI in logistics is not just a competitive advantage, but a necessity for businesses looking to thrive in the digital age.